Hi everyone, this is V here from Simply You Makeup. I am now picking my products for Shop My Stash August, and I will show you. I have this big old container this time with my toe and my foot in the way to put my stuff. And the palettes I'm going to take a lot of small palettes. That's why I have that big old container. So I am going up here to Juvia's place. This is so cute. My sister sent this to me. I am going to take the quads. I'm going to be working with quads coming up in August. So far I'm going to take all my quads that I own. So this is the Juvia's place. So that's the two quads. Now on this shelf I have the lip bar, I have Avon, I have Pat McGrath, and then I have another lip bar and another lip bar. So I have 3 lip bars, 1 Avon and 1 Pat McGrath. I'm going to take all of these and put in my big old blue tub. I also have my e.l.f., which is the 4 right here, and e.l.f. 4 right here, so I'll be taking that also. This is what we're looking like so far for August with the quad eyeshadows. I am looking for lipsticks. I need lip colors to go with that, so I think I need more than 2 lipstick this time. So I am going to take, let us see what I need. I'm taking e.l.f. Berry Bordeaux, Black Radiance, that's the color number, Milani 70 Matte Fearless. This is what I have so far. Now for foundation, I am going to do the LYS foundation. This is the shade is DG7. I'll try this Black Radiance Soft Focus Effect Milk Chocolate Finishing Powder. I like this, but I think it was a little too dark. We'll see again. Now that the sun is out, we'll see if it works for me. Now I have foundation setting powder and I will take this Fit Me powder 360 Mocha. Need a blush. I will take this one by Flory Roberts and it's in Papaya Punch. Also this Laura Mercier, and this one is in Grapefruit, I think. Yeah, Grapefruit. I think that's it. I think that is it. If I need anything else, I will add it in and then I'll let you know about it. But other than that, I think that's what I need for this August 2022 Shop My Stash. I'm shopping, baby. Shopping my stash to get things used up. And this is the Shop My Stash for August. This is what I will be working with. So this is what I'll be working with for Shop My Stash coming up in August. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video trying one of these or a couple of these colors at a time. Let's have fun. Let us create something beautiful because you're beautiful. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I Simply Makeup will see you in another video. Bye bye.